Hi, everybody. Welcome back to CAD 3000. This is assignment 4, and this is a doozy. Okay. So we've been building to this. Everybody's gotten refamiliarized with working in AutoCAD. And today we're going to jump into a more sophisticated drawing. We're going to actually draw the framework around what the electrical components are that we've been designing so far. And in case you haven't figured it out, we do have a system with several motors and some contacts in it. And so what I'm asking you to do is we're going to create a drawing, and this drawing has to be a 1-to-1 scale. And there's a couple of things that we want to do. One is we're dealing with an imperial system here. A lot of the shop mechanics and tradespeople, they still like working in feet and inches, and so I want you to follow the drawing setup as described in the instructions, which will give us a feet and inches sort of measurement. And I want you to also be aware that I would like this drawing in as a 11 by 17. The reason being is an 8.5 by 11 is just way too small. Okay. And if we're looking at the marking scheme here, pretty simple. Is it 11 by 17? Is your drawing complete? Do you have a sufficient dimensions on there? Do you have a title block and a revision? And how does the appearance? And so, again, fairly straightforward for the marking. You shouldn't ever be surprised by my marking. Okay. So what are we drawing? We're drawing this. And okay, so it looks fairly simple. But as we zoom in, you'll notice there's a fair bit involved in the labeling. Okay, so this is actually something that you are going to see in industry, where we mark out exactly what each of these motors are. We do have our legend in here for especially non-standard things. And we have this conveyor system. And so the idea is that we have two packing lines that come across to a common conveyor belt, okay, and then to a lift elevator, and then finally out in from the packing area into the, I assume, the shipping and receiving area. Okay, all of the dimensions are here. The drawing should look better than it does on my screen right now. But if there are any problems or any questions, feel free to ask. But do understand that there's a certain level of flexibility to this. If there's aren't dimensions to something and you really want to know what they are, or you know that we could modify it slightly, feel free to do so. It's more about the exercise of creating the drawing than about the absolute accuracy of replicating what I have drawn here. All right. So everything's in the Dropbox, or in the content folder, I should say. Feel free to peruse it at your leisure. And this is, I believe, it's a 2-week assignment. So, yeah, good luck, everybody. And as always, questions, comments, please feel free to email me, and I'll respond to you as quickly as possible. All right. Thanks. Have a great day. All right. Bye now.